and today I'm going to talk about how to secure your WhatsApp from getting social hacking. So, as you know, recently in the news, you heard that Jeff, the owner for Amazon and the richest man in the world, has been hacked and his phone was hacked through WhatsApp. So, if you guys don't know, I'm gonna tell you what exactly made his phone got hacked through WhatsApp. But before I get into that, make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, and share. Make sure you subscribe because a lot of you guys are watching and are not subscribed. So let's get right into the video, guys. So Jeff, as I said, he got hacked and he got exposed. I think there was some like personal pictures in his phone and all those stuff which exposed him and leading him to getting a divorce. That's what I believe. So I think some Saudi Arabian person did the hacking, and what they exactly did was send him a video on WhatsApp, and he downloaded that video. But it was definitely a video, but I guess in the video file, like in the background, there was another file that was basically a malware, I guess, or some hacking file to just get in your phone and run in the background. So that's exactly what happened, because they said they did the investigation, and right after receiving this WhatsApp video, he opened it and he downloaded it, and I guess he watched it also. And while he's watching it, the moment he downloaded it and it finished downloading, they said his phone started to transfer data fast, and I guess more than likely his battery life may have died fast that day, and he didn't know the reason why. He wasn't paying it that much of attention. It could be just saying, "Oh, it's just one of those days," or he just wouldn't pay it attention at all, because I mean it's a phone, it can fail sometime. But that's exactly what happened, and this WhatsApp securing thing, it won't protect you from getting hacked like how they hacked Jeff, but it will definitely protect your WhatsApp account more than how you have it now without any security lock. So as you know, recently WhatsApp came out with adding fingerprints to your WhatsApp device. I'm not sure if they're doing the face recognition. They may be doing the face recognition, but my phone don't have the face recognition, so they might doing the face recognition with face recognition compatible phones. But I know definitely they are doing the fingerprint, but also they have a two-factor thing that you can enable, and this is what I really recommend, because here's how you set it up. And you're gonna go to settings, then you're gonna go to your account, then get two-step verification, also known as two-factor, and you're just gonna click enable, and you're gonna set your 6-digit pin. Just remember the 6-digit pin and don't share this with anyone. So you're gonna also put a email address. So let's say you forgot your pin and you want to reset it, you're gonna set an email address. Make sure that email address is an email address that is active, and you remember the password for that email address. So just like that, the two-step verification is enabled, and you will right away ask for the six to enter the 6-digit pin right away after. And I believe after like every week or so, they're gonna ask you for the 6-digit pin every now and then for you to access your WhatsApp account. So let's say your phone got stolen, and after a while the person might be able to use your WhatsApp, but then it's gonna ask them for the 6-digit pin, and that's where things come in play, and I guess your WhatsApp will just shut down. But adding this 6-digit pin will definitely protect you from getting hacked and all those mysterious stuff that is getting into people's phone these days. But as I said, it won't protect you from a hack like what happened to Jeff, because that's something really deep. I think they're still trying to figure out what exactly was in that video or behind that video that caused his phone to transfer data to another person's computer, I guess, where they got the media, the personal media files from Jeff. But until then, this is how you can protect your WhatsApp right now. And another bonus tip, I would say, just don't connect to public Wi-Fi's that you don't. Just don't connect to public Wi-Fi that much. If you can avoid connecting to public Wi-Fi, just avoid connecting to public Wi-Fi, because nowadays I know all of you guys have your credit cards and all those stuff, and your Google account and all those stuff, your Google Pay and all those stuff stored on your phone. So once you connect to a Wi-Fi publicly, you're exposing all those things to do. But also what you can do, so let's say you work on the road and you definitely need to connect to a Wi-Fi. What you can also do is get a VPN, and the VPN would act as like I would say a filter. So you're not just directly connecting to the internet, so everything filters through your VPN, and the VPN will protect you from those harmful devices. But as you know, those things still have fault and you still can get hacked. So I'll just personally advise you to avoid connecting to public Wi-Fi's if you can. But until then, guys, thank you guys for watching. This was just a quick tip on how to secure your WhatsApp to the next level. As I said, this won't protect you from getting hacked as Jeff, but as I said, Jeff got a message from, I guess, one of his buddy, and he just open it and WhatsApp, or it may not be one of his buddy. Maybe they got his phone number, and as you know, if you get somebody phone number in WhatsApp, you can just add it in your contacts and you can just text that person right away, and the person will get the text, but it will just show your phone number. So I'm guessing that could have been what happened, or they could have used one of his buddy cell phone number and contact him on WhatsApp. But either way, it happened, and they send him a message, and you can't really stop anyone from sending you a message unless you block them. But how you gonna block a number if you don't know a number? That's another thing. But until then, guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, because a lot of you guys are watching and are not subscribed. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you guys in my next video. Peace.